Glossary page 6 Physics 10th class. Question 1. What is a sparkle mirror? Answer. A mirror speed like a part of a sphere. Question 2. Which of the following is a type of sparkle mirror? Answer. Convex mirror. Question 3. What is the primary use of storage device? Answer. For strong data. Question 4. What is the purpose of telescope? Answer. To observe distant objects. Question 5. What is the internet? Answer. A globally connected network system. Question 6. Which of these is not a color in the spectrum of white light? Answer. CM. Question 7. What is the thermonic emission? Answer. Discharge of electrons from heated materials. Question 8. What is the formula for time period T? Answer. T equal 1 F. Question 9. What is total integral refraction? Answer. Complete reflection of light when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Question 10. What is a transmitter? Answer. A device for producing radio waves. Question 11. What is transverse wave? A wave where particles move perpendicular to wave motions. Question 12. What is the throw of a wave? Answer. The lowest point of a wave. Question 13. What is ultrasound? Answer. High frequency sound wave inaudible to humans. Question 14. What does a volumeter measure? Answer. Voltage. Question 15. What is the formula for Ohm law? Answer. V is equal to IR. Question 16. What is a wave front? Answer. A surface where the phase of the wave is constant. Question 17. What is the formula for wavelength? Answer. Lambda बराबर VF. Question 18. What is a wave? Answer. A distribution that transfer energy. Question 19. Which is an example of a wave? Answer. Sound, light, water waves. Question 20. What is wave speed? Answer. Distance traveled by a wave in unit time. Question 21. What is the formula for wave speed? Answer. V is equal to F multiplied lambda. Question 22. Which wave is a mechanical wave? Answer. Sound waves. Question 23. What happens during TIR? Answer. Light reflects back into the same medium. Question 24. What does a galvanometer measure? Answer. Current. Question 25. Which color has shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum? Answer. Violet. Question 26. What is the highest point of a transverse wave called? Answer. Crest. Question 27. What is the critical angle in TIR? Answer. The angle of incidence above which TIR occurs. Question 28. What does lambda represent in the formula? Lambda is equal to VF. Answer. Wavelength. Question 29. Which wave can travel through a vacuum answer light with question 30. What does frequency measure in a wave? Answer the numbers of waves passing a point in 1 second